Hello everyone, this week we're going to get William to do a blind taste test and see how many he can get right. Hey. So,
are we recording?
Yeah, we're recording, so come over here.
Okay.
Underneath these
No.
3 things, there's 2 pots underneath here,
Right.
2 pots underneath here, and 2 pots underneath here.
Yeah.
There is
Uh-huh.
a blind taste challenge. There are 6 pots altogether. You have to identify all of them
Alright. Yeah.
and identify as many as you can. So where would you like to start?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone for pot number 1.
That's actually pot number 3, that's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3.
Well, I'll decide that. So,
Right.
Cam William.
Are there sauces?
You meant to be closing your eyes, though.
Yeah, are there sauces?
You meant to be closing your eyes. Right. What is it?
Ground chili jam.
Say again?
Chili jam.
Oh.
Ground chili jam, to be exact.
Okay, close your eyes again.
Wait,
Close your eyes again. So what do you think that was?
salad cream.
Salad cream. Salad cream would be correct. Right. Now,
Crikey.
this part
I need a drink.
or this part? Oh.
Holy cow. Guys, more.
Right. Right. Close your eyes.
Oh god.
Keep them closed.
Uh-huh. That's it.
Don't open them yet. What do you think that is?
Mayonnaise.
It is mayonnaise. Well done. Okay, so you got another pot under this one to
It
close.
wasn't scripted, guys.
Close your eyes.
Oh god.
So what were you saying about that last one?
It wasn't scripted.
Okay, wide open. Describe it.
Barbecue sauce.
How did you get that?
Guys, it wasn't scripted, by the way, was it? I literally walked in, I didn't know.
Right, okay, fine. But
How many have I guessed so far?
you've done very well so far.
4.
So you've got 2 left.
4. Oh, yeah.
Now, one of these,
I'll definitely guess.
one of them you definitely guessed. The other one,
I guess.
I don't think you'll get at all.
Alright, so I'm not actually guys.
Yeah, don't worry about it. He's Welsh. We'll forgive him. Right, so you got the last 2 pots. Which one would you like? The left one or the right one?
My right.
Your right. Okay, so my left. Okay. Do we think he's going to get these 2? Think. Okay, right, it's time to close.
Wait.
No.
Before I try this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with all your friends. And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help me out.
Okay, right, close your eyes.
Samuel Davidson channel, please subscribe.
Close your eyes.
Haha.
Which you wanted your... Right, ready?
Oh wait.
So what do we think that is? Have a drink if you need it. In your
Costa.
Costa Frappe. Other brands are available.
Oh, blimey!
So what do you think that was?
Mustard, diesel mustard.
Not mustard. You get it with sushi.
Oh, soy sauce.
No.
Sorry? Yeah, it was sushi.
We'll leave that one for him.
No. Yeah, it was sushi. Wasabi, soy sauce. What's the first letter?
Good. G.
Guacamole.
Your mate that doesn't have red hair has got red hair, but
Green.
everyone calls him
Alan.
begins with G.
Oh, G.
What do you call someone with red hair?
Ginger.
Ginger. That's
Ginger-
right.
ginger
Yeah.
ale.
Yeah, crushed ginger.
Oh,
then-
yeah, that would definitely taste it.
And then the last one.
I don't know what it is. I smell ketchup.
So Heinz tomato ketchup. Oh, you got the brand as well. Well done. Right, so congratulations. William, you got 5.
Oh, he's 6.
Out of 6. So I think
You missed spoon.
William did very well with the sweet chili jam,
And your spoon.
the salad cream,
That's like, ooh.
the tomato ketchup,
Not so good.
the crushed ginger,
Not so very good.
the mayonnaise,
And the butt.
and the barbecue
Wait,
sauce.
can you pass me the spoon?
Right, so
Thanks.
until next week's Ladies and Jelly Spoons,
Oh,
when there may or may not be another taste test.
maybe tomorrow.
Thanks again. See you next week. Bye.